Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another trade. And I am using my new Super Scalper trading system. It's this moving average. You see here, yellow and blue right here. Blue we're buying and yellow we're selling. That in combination with the TZ magic indicator is a fantastic combination, and when you see them both lining up, it is going down. Doesn't mean you're going to get 100 pips, but you're going to get some pips. Now these two moving averages, especially the one down here at the bottom that I call a magic indicator, it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. Now this up and down swings, I call that the flow of the market. Now every morning at 6 a.m. New York time, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer producing my daily trade plan. I drill down the lights from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. We can take a look at this daily trade plan for April the 28th, 22. There's lots of trading opportunities here. And the odd one, I had to wait for the charts to agree on trend direction. Sometimes they were mixed signals, like up and down right here on the DAX. And I just decided to pick the one that it was going in that direction using my Super Scalper. Get the signal, take the trade. Now if you are not putting together a daily trade plan, that is the main reason why you are failing. Now if you don't know how to put one of these together, well, you can get your hands on this one. Keep in mind I do charge $100 a month. Or you can pay me one price and I will teach you how to make one of these. Once you learn how to make one of these, you're going to save thousands of dollars over the years. If you want to get some more information on this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. So now we can move on to the trades. First one I did was the euro dollar. Keep in mind that when it changes colors from blue to yellow or yellow to blue, you'll get a pop-up alert telling you to either buy or sell. The default is only 15 stop and a 15 pip target. That is very generic, and I let it run many times for a lot more than 15 pips. Now, mostly all these trades I took were sells except for this Euro New Zealand. I took them at different times, and this DAX I had to wait until the opening bell, which was 9:35. It picked a direction. I took the trade. Scalper told me to take the trade, so away it went for a lovely, fantastic total. So let's get into these trades. First one I took, the trade plan was saying to sell. Scalper, everything was green, also a great way to trade. Should have got out over here, but not a big deal. It's hard to keep an eye on a bunch of trades, but anyhow, not a big deal. It was still a winner. It has to be 14. As it's the euro dollar, it pays $10 a pip times 10 lots. That paid out $1,400. It's a very good combination. The TZ along with the scalper makes trading super easy and a lot of fun. Here we go. Euro New Zealand. This is the only one I bought. There's the arrow. Scalper blue. Everything else is blue. Can't get much easier than that. Waited for a bit of a pullback, exactly the way I teach in the training videos. Took the trade at this cursor, closed it out just being happy with 23 pips, and those 23 pips on the Euro New Zealand paid out $1,552. The signal was way back here, but I was sleeping at this time. But the trade plan was strong enough to tell me to buy as it was going to keep going up. That's why you need a daily trade plan, because it could have stopped right here and dropped for 50 or more pips. Let's move on to the next trade, pound Swiss. Sold it, scalper, everything red, not too difficult to make a decision. Got in the trade, was late getting in the trade. It knew it could do a bit of a cycle, but I knew eventually it was going to give me more pips, and I was happy with this total. Looks like I ended up with 17, and those 17 pips on the pound Swiss paid out $1,747. Now you see how important and valuable having a daily trade plan. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, pound dollar. Another one I sold directly from my daily trade plan. See how the daily trade plan can pay for itself after one or two trades quite easily. So here we go. Another one I took a little bit on the late side. Should have got in over here, but not a big deal. I knew it was going to bounce around and eventually give me some pips. Now this should be 18 because it pays $10 a pip. So there's your 18. And as you can see down here with the 10 lots, paid out $1,800. Let's check out the next trade, pound CAD. Here we go. Wanted to sell it, so that's exactly what I did. I was a little bit late starting to scan the market, and that's why these trades were lagging a bit, but not a big deal. I had a couple of distractions around the house, but still turned into an excellent trading day. Looks like on this pound CAD I ended up with 42 pips, and those 42 pips paid out $3,265. Love this scalper, as it many times will keep you on the right side of the market, like you wouldn't buy right in here. Anyhow, you'll learn that as you start trading and using the super scalper. Silver. Let's check out this silver. Sold it. So here we go. Scalper. All the indicators down at the bottom. Well, not a big deal. Wished I got out over here, but I didn't see it. As I said, I had a few distractions. And you will have some distractions also. Let's see now. Silver pays $50 a pip, so $50 times 10 ticks times 10 lots. That's why you see a grand total like this total down here of $5,000. Remember, you don't take every signal, but you have to know when to trade, what to trade, the time to trade, and of course going in the direction of the daily trade plan and or the higher time frames, which is the same thing. S&P 500, another one I sold, everything screaming to sell. Let's see where I got in at. Took the trade over here after this slight pullback. Got in. S&P 500 does pay $5. I'm going to get a calculator out, but let's see. I'm going to get a calculator out to figure it to be more accurate. I just took the money, divided it by 5. Calculator says it should be 282. It's 282 ticks. Let's see if I can show that. Hard to get it right on. Well, it's pretty close. Just ignore the last digit. So there you go, 282 ticks. And all of those ticks on the S&P 500 paid $14,125. Now you know why I love doing futures. Moving on to the DAX 30. Now I had to wait on this particular one until the opening bell, which happens to be at 9:30. There was the little signal when it turned yellow, blue to yellow. And I had mixed signals on my daily trade plan. So I was going to go in the direction of my system, the super scalper. Exactly, got the signal, got in the trade. It's another one I'm going to have to use a calculator. I used a calculator, took the money, divided it by $3.75, as that is what it pays for each tick. I went down to the 5 minutes so I can get a little bit better reading. The calculator says it's 720. So let's see if I can get well, that's close enough right there. 722. But it truly is 720. And those 720 ticks paid $27,000 altogether, even $27,000. Now you know why I love doing this DAX 30, because it is truly a great instrument to trade if you want to double your account. The number, magic number, just in case you wanted to know, is 1334. So if I took the trade right there, it would double the account. Let's see. Right there. Bang, right on. 1334. So if you have a $500 account, if you traded from there to there, you would double your account with one mini lot. Or if you do one standard lot, you start with $5,000, you would end up with $10,000 once you hit 1334. If you want to know more a little bit on how you can double your account in one trade, just get in contact with me. So today was the second day of this week, is much better than yesterday. I love this super scalper. It's becoming one of my favorites at the moment. Let's see now. Here we go. I added up everything, pips and ticks. Today I ended up with 1,126 pips and ticks. All compliments, of course, of the futures. And those 1126 ticks paid out $55,890. So if your system is not producing like my super scalper, well, I suggest you get your hands on it. You want to get some more information? All you got to do is look right below this video. You'll see this right up. Super Scalper System. I do charge $250 for it. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. Now my system has well over 3 gigabytes of training. You'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This is just all bonus stuff with a lot of educational material that should help you succeed at trading the markets. Now, there's a lot of ways to trade. I do teach a lot of different ways. That's why there's 22 training videos, approximately 30 minutes each one. So there's tons of tips and tricks and how to trade many different ways. Now, I'm not going to read everything here. Put the video on pause, check out everything. If you have any questions, simple, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now, if you live too far, simple again, here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now, I really do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link, and we'll have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks, and keep in mind I do all of that with no obligation to you. Now, if you click on this link right here, you'll see 40 screenshots of all the systems I've been building over the years. So, it's just about time to wrap up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and the next video, hopefully it'll be tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.